In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of the control center not showing on your lock screen. If you are unable to access the control center from your lock screen, it can be frustrating and limit your ability to quickly access important settings, but don't worry, fixing it is quick and easy. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. After that, scroll down again, and you'll see a section called Allow Access when locked, and in that section, you'll see an option called Control Center, which is disabled. To fix the issue of the control center not showing on your lock screen, simply toggle on the switch next to the control center option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.